Hello. So today's Diwali, and I'm making this video uh, as a journal for my future self, and I want to share my feelings today and like what I'm feeling right now, so that maybe if I see this after 6 months to 2 years, 3 years, or whatever the time is, then I might reflect back and might feel that from where I have come. So yeah, I mean it's like it was a very normal day for me. Uh, Although it was Diwali, but it didn't feel like it is, because obviously the people who are into some prep or something, who are preparing for any exam or something, or who are in you know any, like anything, I don't know, maybe they might feel the same. I don't know how many of them are feeling like this, or it's me only. But yeah, I to feel very, like it's a very weird kind of feeling. You don't feel happy, you don't feel doing anything, like you, and you also don't know why you're feeling all this, and you just, because I think we are preparing for an exam, and we just you know uh, make it so big, and we just attach everything with that exam only, and we see ki once we'll qualify, and then only we'll be able to be happy. And uske pehle to we don't deserve being happy, we don't deserve all this thing. Actually, at least I feel this, because उसकी वजह से I could not do anything, not even get ready, because I feel कि why do I get ready? I don't deserve to get ready. So this kind of feeling, I don't know, it's very weird. I don't know, some people might find it weird or may relate it. I don't have many friends, so I don't talk to them about this, so I don't have any idea about it, because all my friends are into some job or something, so they are doing their work, so I cannot obviously share all these things with them, because obviously they won't understand, and they also don't have to, honestly, because it's our rona dona. So why do, so I don't share this with anyone. So like today, what I was feeling, key from past two Diwalis, it was like same. And like every, like last year also I thought कि next Diwali I'll celebrate अच्छे से, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll get ready, I'll click pictures and all, but I did nothing. And this year also I did nothing. So I don't know this when this will end, and when, ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't like celebrating, I really like all this, I love getting ready, I love clicking pictures and all, but it's just like a situation ही ऐसी है that I cannot do anything, obviously, because I don't feel like doing anything. So I mean, just पढ़ाई and everything, like it's very, I don't know, it's very overwhelming, honestly. Today I cried also, surprisingly. Abhi kuch der pehle I just cried for 20-30 minutes, and I feel very light after crying. So basically it was like something heavy was inside me. I was like, why all this is happening? Why even this Diwali is coming? What is, I don't understand this thing. And I was feeling very heavy. But abhi, when I was alone in my room, I literally cried, and I just went out all the emotion light, and then I thought of recording it, because otherwise I wouldn't have done this also, because I was not doing, I was not like feeling to do anything. So yeah, I mean, abhi it's much better. And yeah, I'm still hopeful. I mean, I know like this is not the good time, and I know like time will come, okay, when I will be able to do all the things that I'm thinking, and that I have to do, obviously. So I know, I mean, sabka, everyone have different life timings, and I think मेरा भी is the struggle वाला phase जो कि चल रहा है, and I don't know how long it will be going. So yeah, I mean, but I know I have this hope, and I have this belief कि yes, I will change this, obviously, and अच्छा होगा कभी ना कभी तो. So yeah, I mean, एक ही होप को लेकर ही वी आई एम अलाइव ऑनेस्टली बोलते नहीं कि एक होप के लिए, एक होप के साथ सहारे वी आर लिविंग. सो सेम इज़ हैपनिंग, सेम इज़ यू नो इज सेम इज़ विद मी ऑल्सो. So yeah, but still, I mean, these days, like the October is very hectic, and next 3-4 months were gonna be very hectic for me. And I think 3-4 months kya like aane wale 6 months will be the same. So I know, but I know I have to work hard, and I will obviously. And yeah, I was just recording it for no reason, but yeah, I just want my next myself to see this next Diwali पे, so that I could see like कुछ progress हुआ कि नहीं in my life. Because honestly 2 साल से it's very stagnant. I mean, I don't know, कुछ नहीं है जिसको मैं बोल सकूँ yeah, this has changed in my life. Maybe my knowledge has been increased because of what I am studying, but उसके अलावा I don't think that anything has changed. But anyways, I'm not literally ऐसे I'm not victimizing myself honestly, but still yeah, I'm just sharing it what I'm feeling. So yeah, I mean, I hope things will get better next year. And one thing, if someone is watching, obviously I'm gonna put it on YouTube, so कोई ना कोई तो देखेगा. So if अगर कोई यहाँ तक पहुँचा है and is still watching, पहले तो I don't know, I know nobody. Still, if you're in the same situation ना, आगे जा रही है and you are in the same position from past जितने भी you are studying, so honestly things will change and time will change. अभी नहीं होगा, maybe थोड़ा time लगे, but it will get better and better. And honestly वो जो पीरियड चल रहा है ना, जो that period में जहाँ पे भी you are struggling, जहाँ पे you are working but चीज़ें सही नहीं हो रही हैं, things are not according to you, things are not going according to you, I think that period, that time is making you much 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 stronger. And उसके बाद जो होगा that will be like, it will be an amazing thing. Honestly मैं इस situation पे हूँ, I mean I don't have any credibility कि मैं ये बोलूँ because मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, but still I know and I have this belief that one day time will change for me also. And so जो भी चीज़ अभी I'm thinking ना, कि मैं वो करती, काश मैं वो करती, I will do, like I know I will do. भले ही अभी नहीं, maybe next year या कभी भी, but I know I will do that. And it's like living your dream, it will happen, ठीक है. So but the only thing is कि you need to be patient and you need to just go, चलते रहना है, right? You don't have to stop, है ना. Just have this hope and have this faith into some divine or God or जो भी तुम जिसको भी तुम मानते हो, have that faith and just keep moving. Okay, ऐसे there was a quote बोलती नहीं कि if you're going to a hell, just keep moving, है ना. that is the only solution. Okay, so ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है, ज़्यादा you don't have to cry about it every day, ठीक है. और although I also do, कहीं ना कहीं I also do it, I also think about it कि यार हर सेकेंड एक थॉट आता है कि यार why me, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, why should I do something else or should I move on from whatever I'm doing here, या फिर रुकूँ. लेकिन still I think वो थॉट सिर्फ कुछ टाइम का रहता है, and after that I will like no, you have to do this because you cannot give up honestly. And it might take a little time, but it will be it will happen, ठीक है. जो भी तुम सोच रहे हो it will happen, ठीक है. So yeah, I mean this is what I just want to say. And I know that I cannot say this thing with any of my friends or family because उनको लगता है that I'm very you cannot share all these things. I think people can relate, जो भी हम फील करते हैं we cannot every time share because maybe हमारे लिए वो चीज़ बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, but I think that's not the case with the like अगर तुम ये चीज़ अपने फ्रेंड को बताओगे so they won't be able to understand it. Okay, so वो उसकी डेप्थ को नहीं समझेंगे. So you can't tell your friends, कोई चाहे जितना भी अच्छा फ्रेंड हो, even that person is your boyfriend or girlfriend, you cannot will understand you the way you want them to do, ठीक है. एंड पेरेंट्स के साथ तो आई डोंट थिंक कि जो लोग शेयर कर मतलब कोई शेयर कर पाता होगा। आई थिंक जो अगर एक दो लोग हैं भी जो कि लाइक जो इतने ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली हैं या ओपन है टू देयर पेरेंट्स, जो कि शेयर कर सकते हैं ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, आई थिंक दे आर द मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, आई थिंक 98% ऑफ अस कैन नॉट शेयर ऑल दिस थिंग विद आवर पेरेंट्स ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज नॉट बिकॉज की दे डोंट केयर, बट ऑब्वियसली ना यू कैन नॉट क्राई इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम। ओके, अगर तुम यही करोगे सो दे वोंट लेट यू डू दिस। Okay, because they don't want you to feel or be into this vulnerable positions obviously. So you have to be strong in front of them, although like तुम अंदर से कितना भी miserable feel कर रहे हो, but still you cannot show that to your parents obviously. And I don't have any siblings ऐसा जिसके साथ I can literally, I wish I could have कोई भी बड़ा सिबलिंग, कोई बहन या भाई, लाइक दिस इज़ माई लिटरली, मेरे को इतना लगता है ना कि काश मेरे पास कोई होता सो दैट आई कुड हैव शेयर्ड। आई ऑल्दो आई हैव, बट वो छोटे हैं सो आई कैन नॉट, सो सेम थिंग, दे वोंट अंडरस्टैंड एनी थिंग। सो एनीवेज जो भी है, सो दिस वॉज फॉर माई सेल्फ, दिस इज़ फॉर माई सेल्फ। एंड ओके, वन मोर थिंग मेरे लिए कि जो भी नेक्स्ट 2025 में जो भी 3 मंथ्स नहीं 2.5 मंथ जो भी बचा हुआ है, आई नीड टू गिव माई एवरीथिंग। आई डोंट नो, मैं ये वीडियो को आई विल लाइक आफ्टर मे बी इफ़ आई अपलोड सो आई विल वॉच इट 2-3 टाइम्स, ऐसा होता है, यू विल सी योर सेल्फ टॉकिंग एंड ऑल। सो आई वॉन्ट टू रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ दैट डोंट वेस्ट और डोंट मतलब बिल्कुल भी छोटा सा भी कुछ गलती नहीं करनी है इस 2 महीने में 3 महीने में। एंड यू हैव टू गिव योर बेस्ट टिल दिसंबर एटलीस्ट। आई मीन आई नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो उसके बाद भी देना है, बट एक प्रिपरेशन का पर्टिकुलर चीज़ होता है जो तुमको दिसंबर तक कंप्लीट करना होता है। सो दैट आई एम गोना लाइक लिटरली 10 घंटे यू हैव टू स्टडी, 8 to 10 hours, मतलब 8 to 10 hours के नीचे यू कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन, बिकॉज आई नो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई नो आई विल डू इट। ओके, सो या दिस इज़ इट, this is it. I think I should stop it now. Oh my god, it's 12 मिनट का वीडियो हो गया है। सो या